Keeping branded and compliant templates up to date for any task in any application and ensuring users utilize the latest version can be complicated and time-consuming, especially if you have to follow different procedures for updating templates for each of your apps. Our research shows that if updating and publishing templates takes weeks instead of days or hours, users will lose confidence in your templates and will stop to use them. That is why we built the template chooser the way we did, allowing you to update templates across all applications in a single location by simply drag and dropping templates into your shared template libraries, making them instantly available across your entire organization. With the Office at Work template chooser, you can manage your templates in your Microsoft 365 tenant within SharePoint document libraries. To upload a new template, simply drag and drop the file into the library. If you need versioning, activate the versioning feature in SharePoint Online. This allows you to roll back to previous versions instantly. To avoid multiple people working on the same template simultaneously, activate the check-in and check-out feature in SharePoint. This ensures that only one person can work on a specific template at a time. To control who can upload and use the templates, utilize the built-in role-based access management in SharePoint Online. This allows you to manage access to your templates effectively. If you want to automatically inform users about changes or initiate any other process based on your updates, use the SharePoint Flow integration capabilities to automate actions based on template updates. For providing changes to a small group of users, first, work with additional document libraries and create a staging process that fits your organization. If you want to translate the names of your templates so users see them listed in their Microsoft 365 language, provide the translated names in the language-specific title columns or set up a flow in SharePoint to do this automatically. You might not be responsible for all the templates in your organization, but that's not a problem. You can create as many template libraries as you need using the Office at Work Admin Center. This way, other departments or teams can have their own template libraries and define their own rules for managing templates. Your message to users that they can always access the latest and greatest templates for their work will remain true, even if the responsibility for maintaining the templates is shared across your organization. Larger organizations usually choose to work with SharePoint-based template libraries and manage them using the Office at Work Admin Center. Smaller organizations tend to prefer Teams-based template libraries that they can create directly in the Office at Work template chooser app. This feature is limited to Teams owners, providing control over the template library creation process. Extremely large organizations might also switch to Teams-based template libraries, as defining a central role for managing SharePoint template libraries can be challenging in organizations with tens or hundreds of thousands of users. Please check out the Admin Center videos to learn more about managing libraries and library sources. Oh, and if you've ever wondered which templates are actually used by users, we recommend configuring the Analytics feature for the Template Chooser. This feature reports each use of each template into a Power BI data pod of your choosing. To learn more about setting up analytics, please watch the video provided in the Office at Work Admin Center. With centralized management and multiple user-friendly app integrations designed to simplify template access, you only need to update templates once for all applications and users by dragging and dropping them into a shared template library. If you want to simplify management and increase the use of your templates, leading to better business outcomes, the Template Chooser is the app you need.